Hey guys, this is Jonathan. I've got a question about using files from the attachment section. So right now, this drawing is linked, it's connected to the part that's on the screen, and the attachment that's with that is correct. Like this would open the identical file. And when I come to this door, the second file down, I accidentally opened something, so give me a second. When I come to the second file down, I go to the attachment, and you'll notice it is not the same as the door that's selected. So this is 401060, and this is 401000. That is the same number as this attachment. So I've done some homework on it, and the file that's highlighted right now is within the enclosure assembly drawing, but it also has its own drawing. And so if I go right click and explore, I'm going to show you, it clearly has its own drawing, and that should be a linked file. Like it should be the identical file. So I have to go another step, right click explore, go to find it, and then I can drag it off into the container folder I want to put it in for our order. My question is, why does it revert? Why it seems like it reverts to the top level, the topmost level assembly, rather than showing me the actual connected file? That I just don't understand that. Now, to make it even more confusing to me, if I search for this, then I get it, right? Then it shows up as my attachment. So it's a correct one. So now it's attached based on the search, but initially it's not. And if I use the little icon, boom, it's the wrong file again. Okay, so please help me to understand that. Obviously I have a workaround, so I can work with it. It's always baffled me why that happens, and I'd love to know the answer. Thank you.